Welcome to my channel Loopout. Today I'm going to discuss about a small easy code related to the HTML. I'm targeting to the audience who are beginners and kids who want to design a small web page using HTML. Before going to my topic, I would request to just subscribe and like my videos. Before going to our topic HTML, I would say HTML is a markup language, and every browser which wants to display any content on to be supported to be displaying, it should support HTML tags. HTML should be a default one for any browser. So the the browsers which will be supporting HTML and will be displaying are Internet Explorer, IE, which is given by Microsoft, Chromium browser such as Google Chrome. Google Chrome is given by Google, and Firefox, and latest IE Edge. This is also been given by Microsoft, and etc. Like other browsers also will be supporting HTML. And the operating system which will be used are for designing or developing are Windows, Mac, and Linux. In these operating system, we can develop HTML, and we would be supporting those things. This is the small HTML structure which we could be just develop the HTML, like we'll be giving HTML tags and we'll be developing that one. Just we'll be discussing on each tag. The first one is the doc type, which describes what is the HTML document version, which is HTML5, the recent one, and HTML is the root tag, and head is the content, is the section where style, scripts, meta tags, and links will be referring here, and body is the content which the end user will be seeing. And some of the important tags in HTML: paragraph, it is declared in SP here, and text formatting tags which are bold, italicized, H1, H2, H3, H4 are heading tags. And if you want to highlight any content in the text on the web page, we can use the mark tag here. And the quotation, if you want to give any quotations to anywhere, you can give this Q tag. And mostly, like if you want to display the data in table and rows and columns, we can give it as in table format. And inside the table, it consists of table rows and table columns. And list here, like we want to display any content in bullets format, we can go with this one, like a unordered list, order list, and definition list. An image, the most used tags for displaying any image content here: image and source URL, and alternate text. If you want to display when the source is not available, we can give it using the ALT attribute to this image tag. And the anchor tag, which is the reference while referring to or navigating to any other web page, we can give it here. And iframe, if you want any other page to be displayed in the main page, we can display using an iframe. That we can say like that is the child page. If you want to display in parent page, we can display that one. So we'll be doing a small HTML design or layout, we can say. I will show you to that one. This is the HTML layout we will be displaying, and this is, you can see, a small web page, and this will be the this is my name, Vinay Kumar, and this will be a small image, and hobbies and YouTube channel, lookout, and this is another page. So how we will be doing is, first we will be taking a table, and inside the table we will be taking another table, and this is another table we will be displaying side by side, and under this one we will be taking another table here, and this is the bullets format we will be formatting using the ordered list, and this will be another table, we can say after this table, and because we want to display these two tables side by side, we'll be designing that one, and we'll be having another HTML page which will be displaying in this parent page. So let's go and see how we can do that one. I'm using the brackets as editor for designing the HTML page, and we'll be running using the brackets itself. You can download these brackets from Google and download it for your Windows or Linux or Mac or whatever it's at, and you can start developing that one. First, we need to go to the file, and we do need to say open folder here, and we need to have a small folder in our any drive, C drive, D drive, or any other Raspberry drives, and you should just say open here and select that folder. And I have already done it. I just added a small image folder also, and added a small image along with this one. Now I will add, go and say file new, and a small, and I will say this control S, we can say it like saving this page in normal HTML format. I will say my new HTML page. Save here. We should save with HTML extension. Otherwise, it will not save as HTML. So we need to give that one. Say save. You can say go here, doc type HTML, and enter HTML here. So this is the starting tag here. Header tag. Inside the header tag, we'll give it a small title tag. Display the title in the title bar. My new HTML page. Body content here, you can do it. You can just say here, go to the brackets. At the right side, you have beautify. You can just click on here. It will automatically get beautified here. And now you can just add a small table here, as we would be displaying td tr. This is the main table, and inside a table we'll be having two more tables. Table tr, td, and another table will be taken, and this table contains the image here. Image tag will be img, and the source of the image will be declared using src equal to images folder name, and you can see like user.png is the image, and as already said, like we'll be displaying some alternate text if the image is not available. No image available. Say save. I'm having handily the styles, and in upcoming videos I will be discussing briefly on each style. Right now I'm just pasting this style content here. I'll go here. Now we want to display our name here. I will take H1 as heading. Content. My name Vinay Kumar. And now I will take, just run this one and see how it goes there. Just go and click here. It will open a new browser. The new browser here. We need to just adjust the web content. So I will do that one right away. I just after the styles, VLN top, hit this one for going to top, and after the style to the image also, the image table here also. It should be here. Also TR, the TD also, I'm just applying the style here. And again, let us see. You can see the content here, it is getting displayed correctly here. The name, the image. Now we need to display the hobbies here, the YouTube channel name, and the another web page that's left. We'll be taking TR and another TD. We'll be taking another table. And insert here. We'll be taking another TD here. And as I'm just adding this one for display the hobbies content. I'm having handily the code, so just I will go here and I will just add this content here. And after here you can just go here, you can use the content here. You can see hobbies and everything. You need to you can just adjust this one to come down here. I will show how we can do it. If you go here, you can just change this margin to 30, and you can see going here. You can see like hobbies are getting displayed along this first one, and now we are left with few things. I got the code handily. I will just add that one. Just take one tier. I will explain this one. How can we add it? So this is the YouTube channel content. It will be taking one extra tier here, and TD insert TD will be, you can take a small table here. Insert table. You can just add table to table column for display channel, and the loop code content also you can add it here. And one more thing I can just show to you, like we, as we are using two TDs here, we should say call span equal to 2. If we use 3 TDs here, we should say call span equal to 3. So how many columns are there? The same respective column should be given here. Otherwise, it will be just the design alignment will be varied. So I will just this added this one. Like I will show it to you in the output how it goes in the web page. Exactly the expected one, what we want. And now I will be just displaying one small content of the web page here. I'll show how can we add it. We'll take a small new web page here. I will save it this one. Child page, you can say it for understanding. And save to .html. Saved now. Again, you can mention it as doc type HTML. Again, starting HTML tag, and inside HTML tag, you can mention header tag. And again, after header tag, no need to give any title here. Body tag, because we want to display the content inside the body tag. I will give. I want to scroll to have a scroll here, so I will give a mark V. So mark V is used for scrolling, and I will just say H1 here as a heading, because to have a bigger font I will say here this one. H1 is enough for bigger fonts sometimes, and I will just say please subscribe to my channel. Just say mark highlighting that one. I'll go here. As I said, I'm having handy here the code, so just I will copy this one. I will explain this one to you. So you can see I've taken a small table content, and table content as a given on tr td, and I want to display a web page in another, in the child web page, in the parent page, means I need to use a iframe. So in this way the iframe will be useful. So you can just declare the source content, go to the source and the page name itself, and you will be seeing the output here. See, this is the output, and as I said, we'll be displaying the respective page which I shown to you. Another page, the image, name, hobbies, channel name, and you can see here the same thing. YouTube channel, loop out, subscribe to my channels, and here the content of the child page which we are showing. So I hope everyone liked this video. If you like, please like it, and please subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with some more videos on styles. How can we declare it? The 3 ways, like using the CSS, normal style, which is the inline style, and how can we declare inside the HTML also. I will be discussing in upcoming videos. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and stay healthy and safe. Thank you very much.